All right.
Our first category this evening is Sweetest Ride, sponsored by Dano Live.
Hey, thank you.
Please be on your best behavior tonight. We got 3 million people watching us. So. Here we go. Sweetest Ride, sponsored by Dano, goes to car number 37, a 1967 Ford Mustang. Steve from Costa Mesa.
That is a triple black convertible. Whoa. How about that? Wow, out of the VIP section. Of course, BOCMC. Huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh. It's Mr. Sumter.
Photo bomb.
Yeah. All right, Steve, how about that? Wow, Dano Live, Sweetest Ride. Congratulations, Steve. Congratulations, Steve.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Steve. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our next category, Best Truck in memory of Ray Thornton, goes to car number 35, a 1956 Ford F100 pickup. Dave from Rossmore.
Oh, another coming out of the VIP section out here. Dave from Rossmore. Wow. Look at that. That is a yellow truck. Yellow F-Series. Wow, how about that? Wow. Whoop, whoop. Come on, Paul. How about that? All right. Dave.
Hey, Dave. Hey. Hi, Paul.
Congratulations. Way to go.
Congratulations, Dave.
Dave. He's such a popular fella. Wow, huh? Good thing you didn't bring a motorcycle.
Congratulations, Dave. Thanks for coming to Carl. Our next category, the toughest category in the show, Hooligan's Choice.
And no hooligans.
Goes to car number 63, a 1955 Ford T-Bird.
Oh, a baby bird.
From Huntington Beach.
Huntington Beach. Not a bad city to be from. Don't forget the air show this weekend. Oh. Here it comes. Yeah. And I might add, it is a real hot rod. It's got gears, it's got pedals. And it's a 55, it's a baby bird. Look at that. How about that?
I was going to put something away.
Wow, Dave.
Thank you.
All right, there you have it. Cool.
Congratulations, Harry. Thank you
Harry.
for coming to Carl.
Sorry, I thought you said Dave.
Our
Harry.
next category, Project Cars, sponsored by West Coast Muffler, goes to car number 73, a 1955 Chevy 210 Woody from Compton.
Chevy 210 55. Woody from Compton. 210. Where's Woody? I'm not seeing no Woody. Compton's a rough neighborhood. Maybe they reached far from. Oh, that doesn't look like Woody. All right, smile. Cool, gotcha. How about that? Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our next category, Best Detail, sponsored by SoCal Car Culture, goes to car number 67, a 2015 Ford Mustang GT from Fountain Valley.
He is the big screen king. And he wins with his brand new Mustang.
New car.
Just the other day. Wow, huh? Already. How about that?
Yeah, pop their cherry. First night she's here, we'll pop their cherry.
Wow. All right. How about that? Another popular fella here. Look at that. 2015 Mustang. Brand spanking new to Paul. He's got 3 in the stable now.
Congratulations, Paul. Thank you for coming to Carl. Our next category, Veteran's Choice, sponsored by the OC Car Guy, goes to car number 55, a 1963 Dodge Ram Charger.
Oh, yeah, right there.
Fountain Valley.
It's a War 26 Cross Ram dual 4-barrel 330 Dodge. How about that? It is. The license plate says Ram Chargers.
What branch? Army. 63 to 60 to 63.
Mile.
There.
Gotcha. All right. Yep. How about that?
Congratulations, Gary. Thank you for
Gary
coming
with
to
Ram
Carl.
Charger, push
Thank
button
you for your
automatic.
service in the
Right there in
United
white.
States Army.
Yeah.
Our next category, Best Street Rod, sponsored by the Buena Park Elks, goes to car number 36, a 1936 Ford 2-door Glen from COP.
Oh, look at that. 36. I think it's in blue. Is it in blue? First time here too, I believe. 36. Yeah, I like to call it I like to call it Richard Petty blue. It looks like the same color as Chet's blue. Yeah, he came in with the Rossmore fellas. Yeah. All right. Way to go. Winning with the 36. All right.
How you doing, man? Congratulations. Thank you for coming. Here's your little gas bomb.
Thank you. Appreciate
All
it.
right,
Get your
here.
picture taken here.
All right, smile. Gotcha. No, hey, David. Another popular fella. How about that? First time in.
Congratulations, Glenn. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our next category, Muscle Car, sponsored by Willie's Auto Service, goes to car number 27, a 1974 Dodge Dart Sport
Yeah.
from Huntington Beach.
Huntington Beach. They will roll that down Main Street tomorrow night. Cruise night. They'll be rolling it down Main Street tomorrow night. Cruise night. All right. Smile, guys. Gotcha. Cool. How about that?
Congratulations, Tom. Thank you.
Perfect category. Muscle car.
Coming to Carl's.
Ah,
Beautiful car.
yeah.
Our next category, Best Ford, sponsored by Dave's Trophies,
Best Ford.
goes to car number 14, a 1964 and a half Ford Mustang
Oh.
Ken from Fountain Valley.
The voice. Whoa. How about that? Wicked Customs. How about that?
I'm sorry, I gotta hug you.
Got ambushed.
Awesome.
How about that, Ken?
Oh my God.
All right, right here first.
I'd like to thank all my fans. No.
Gotcha. All right. How about that?
Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you.
Congratulations, Ken. Thank you for coming to Carl. Our next category, Best GM, sponsored by Hilco Fastener Warehouse, goes to car number 45, a 1971 Chevy Chevelle SS Big Bike.
Oh, what the hey?
Corona.
Oh, geez, that VIP section's rocking it tonight. Hey, sporting the SCC jacket. Yay. You see him Wednesday nights. And his lovely bride there, Shirley. Say ho, right here. Thank you. Gotcha. All right. Wow. This supposed to, maybe need to make a camera tunnel here or something, huh? Huh? All these celebrities with their own photogs. Wow. What do you think?
Congratulations, Big Mike. Thank you for coming to Carl's. Our final category. Sponsored by Best of Shows. Sponsored by Roy Wade Insurance Services. Roy is here tonight.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is.
Goes to car number 44, a 1929 Ford Model A pickup. Jim from Anaheim.
All right, Jim. And that is a black beauty. Wow. 1929. That is definitely the best to show. That is a beautiful car. Yeah, look at that. Way to go, Jim.
Okay, thank you very much.
Very deserving. Here you go. All right, Jim.
Thank you.
Yep, there you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Jim. Thank you for coming to Carl's.
How about that?
Thank you all for bringing these beautiful cars down. Tonight we had 80 cars.
Ooh, a little shy of 100 gold, but still
Just
80
a few
cars.
short of 100.
There you have it. Trophy presentation. Down the
I'll
line.
make the same deal next week.
Oh.
100 cars, $100.
100 cars, $100. You heard it right here on the demo.
50-50 is now closed.